This boy been depressed. I don't know what's going on with him. She good. So like ever since we got, it's not our permanent dog. We've been dog sitting. So where's she at? She outside. You probably can't see it. I got this mode locked, so I don't want to keep switching in between cameras. But let me see. Dirty windows. Where's she at? It's a little Yorkie. Some of y'all may have seen it on stream. There she go. So ever since we got this little Yorkie in the building, Meek over here has been acting real weird. Real weird. So we'll see how it goes. But I got a new toy. We got a new toy. She looking at me like, ain't this some ish? Got you another toy for yourself? Nothing for me and Meek? We over here starving. She is not feeling me, man. She look like she want to bite my neck off. Like she is not rocking with me right now. We got a new little vlog enjoying the building. It's the the DJI OSMO Pocket 3. Man, I had the Pocket 2. This is, man, I don't even know how to put it into words right now. I've been plotting on this for a minute. I'm really excited about this thing. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it and yeah, let's get it. So, it's a peep. Nice little carrying pouch. Much better than last year's. So you up the quality there. There you go. So we got, here with a camera right there. We got the wireless lav mic right here.
Okay, good.
Now I'm curious to see how this one sounds. Now I didn't even get a chance to really use the lav mic from the last model, but I think this is an upgraded version, so it should sound better. Yeah, I think these are batteries. Oh no, this is the transmitter. Hook that to the camera. I think there's an extended battery in that as well. And this is just the normal battery. And what else we got? Tripod. Wow. That's, I was gonna say, it looks just like the one from my other DJI. But charging cable with the little dead cat up in there. Oh, that's the charging cable. This is the, yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, a little wide angle lens right here. Kind of magnetically snaps to the front, but boy, this is nice. It's just crazy how far we come in tech. Like this is like a lot of capability with just such a small piece of hardware. Like you pretty much get this and this. Like that's crazy. Like obviously this got a little bit more capability, but like for a lot of people, you really could run a channel just off of this. Okay. I gotta run through the instructions. I don't know what this thing is. Because I'm pretty sure there's an internal battery already. So, the biggest...
Percy.
She thinks she's so tough.
Okay.
So far, her barks have been so inaccurate. Every time she goes to the door, ain't nobody there. She just be barking. Peep the other dudes, they chilling. Meek is usually pretty accurate when it comes to who's at the door. So if he ain't moving, I ain't really thinking about nothing. She just extra paranoid. So the biggest thing about this camera is that rotating screen for me. Like, this is crazy. Now, for the TikTokers out there, this might be what y'all are looking for, because you can do horizontal if you want to go ahead and do YouTube videos, but all you gotta do is flip it to go into horizontal mode. Let's see. Wow. Now you in YouTube mode, TikTok mode, just like that. YouTube, TikTok. Oh, dang, this thing already on? Hold on. Boy, hold on. I ain't ready yet. Hold on, don't start up. But yeah. DJI Pocket 3, man. This probably was like one of the few tech products I was like really excited about. Like, since I had the 2. The 2 was really nice, but the problem I had with that is the fact that it was really difficult to do vertical video. Like, if I ever wanted to do a YouTube short, like, I had to, you know, do this kind of thing, recording sideways, and it just never felt natural. With this, like, it's real. It looks, I'm imagining it's super simple. This is all you gotta do, just bow. And if I want to switch it up, you see how smooth that transition was? Oh man, okay, I can't wait to get it.